This is a follow-up video from earlier today. I mentioned last video that I usually go over my charting after I record each video, and this is what I came up with. I realized something. I was looking at the S&P chart, and I took the range from the most recent high time frame protected swing high down to this low, all right? And I saw that we have a weekly market structure shift paired with an imbalance, weekly imbalance, as well as this order block. Okay, so what I'd like to see, personally, is the following. I'd like to see price trade into premium, all right? Tap into one of these premium arrays, see in-session confirmation, which aligns with the weekly PO3 profile, all right? That's what I want to see, and that would prompt sells, not to these lows, but into some discount arrays. All right, I just want to see it trade into discount. Why do I not expect this low to get swept? Well, because on the monthly time frame, what do I see? The swing low, or the low of the month, had already been made. There are 10 days left for the month. There isn't enough, how do I phrase this, selling power to expand lower. The drawn liquidity for the monthly time frame has already happened. All right. Maybe if you want to see expansion into over here on the monthly, I reckon that would take place next month. I don't know though. This is just speculation. Well, what I know is that I'd like to see these arrays respected and prompt sells into discount. The reason why I didn't see that last video was because there was no imbalance formed on NASDAQ, and I was charting on NASDAQ. All right. We have the same thing on Dow Jones. This daily order block, weekly order block in premium, exact same thing with a weekly market structure shift and this weekly imbalance, which confluences with the order block. All right. And that's about it. So, and again, love to see price tap into premium into one of these weekly arrays and prompt sells from here. All right. That's about it. You can just mirror the same thing on NASDAQ. All right. I might be trading Dow next week more than NASDAQ, but we'll see. Doesn't matter. I hope you found this video helpful. And yeah, see you later. Stay blessed.